the blade down. Can you put the blade down? The blade down. Can you put the blade down? Feel so, I feel blue. Don't even recognize myself. That's why I want you right now. It was something more in this place. I was struggling. I tried to put the blade down. But this time I'm ready to feel it. Damn, I'm ready to feel it. I guess I got some clue. Forget all about it's not worth it. I will be fucking straight. That's my only issue. The blade down. Can you put the blade down? The blade down. Can you put the blade down?
Smooth is my attitude. I don't belong to you. I am my own crew. I mean, I know it tastes better than a soul food, but you can't buy my love with a cold food. Do I make you love? I was wide out. Think about it and I can understand why you lied. Like a tough guy, but you're finished. My ambition's diminished. So, doing no disgrace, only without a trace. I guess we can escape and then we both gotta face it. Can you quit this role? That it makes me sick. Now you must know fully if you can stop that quick. Think, get yourself together. I'm a dope chick and I deserve better. So the way I've got him gushing, all I gotta do is pay for the way that I'm beginning. All of me, then I believe it. Yeah, ooh, yeah, ooh, ooh, yeah, ooh, yeah, ooh, ooh, yeah, ooh, yeah, ooh, yeah, ooh, yeah.
The blade down.